Classification of assessment based on purpose, scope, attributes, information, response mode, interpretation, and context. CPS 2 for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honors. Classification of assessment based on purpose, scope, attributes, information, response mode, interpretation, and context. Introduction. Assessment is the process of collecting information about a learner's performance, knowledge, attitude, or skills. It helps teachers to understand how much the student has learned and how they can be helped further. Assessment can be classified in different ways depending on its purpose, scope, attributes, and other factors. In India, education policies like CCE, NEP 2020, and Nipun Bharat promote various types of assessments for better learning outcomes. 1. Classification based on purpose. Type. Meaning. Example, Indian context. Placement. To decide where to place a student before starting instruction. Entry test before joining a tuition class. Formative. Done during teaching to improve learning. Class test after every lesson. Diagnostic. To identify learning problems and reasons. Test to find out why a child is weak in reading. Summative. Done at the end of a course to assign marks or grades. Final school exam or board exam. 2. Classification based on scope. Type. Meaning. Example. Teacher-made test. Prepared by individual teachers for their own class. Weekly school test made by a teacher. Standardized test. Prepared by experts, same for all students, tested before use. CBSE Board Exam, NTSE. 3. Classification based on attributes measured. Type. What it measures. Example. Achievement. Measures what has been learned. Chapter-wise school test. Attitude. Measures feelings, opinions, or values. Survey on students' interest in science. Aptitude. Measures future potential or ability. Olympiad, talent search test. Skills. Measures specific skills like reading, performance in a drawing or lab activity. 4. Classification based on nature of information. Type. Meaning. Example. Quantitative. Based on numbers and scores. 8 out of 10 in a test. Qualitative. Based on description, observation, and behavior. Remarks on student behavior in class. Indian concept example. In CCE, continuous and comprehensive evaluation, both marks, quantitative, and teacher comments, qualitative, were used. 5. Classification based on mode of response. Type. Meaning. Example. Oral. Student answers by speaking. Oral quiz or Viva. Written. Student writes the answer. Written test or assignment. Performance-based. Student performs a task. Science experiment, art display. 6. Classification based on nature of interpretation. Type. Meaning. Example. Norm-referenced. Compares student performance with others. Ranking students in class. Criterion referenced. Compares performance to a fixed standard or learning goal. Giving grade based on 80% score, not comparing with others. Indian example. Norm-referenced, class rank in board exam. 7. Classification based on context. Meaning example. Internal. Conducted by the school or teacher. Class tests, school level exams. External. Conducted by external agencies. Board exams, CBSE, BSE Odisha, NEET. Indian example. Internal, teachers' own assessment in school. External, Class 10 BSE Odisha Board examination. Conclusion. Assessment is not one size fits all. Depending on the goal, context, and learners' need, different types of assessments are used. In India, new educational policies are encouraging continuous, flexible, child friendly assessments to ensure better learning for all students. Right type of assessment helps both teaching and learning grow together.